Hi everybody, and welcome to Newman and Reedy. Here we have something absolutely stunning. 2017 Porsche 911 GT3. Just 10,600 miles on the clock and just 2 owners from new. So very, very rare car. Normally got 5 or 6 owners. A lot more miles. This car also comes with probably just about £25,000 worth of accessories from the factory, including, as you can see, ceramic brakes, the full club pack sport, including full bucket seats, 12 o'clock steering wheel, Innotek exhaust, as you can hear, nice sound, but we do have standard exhaust as well. Factory wheels painted in black silk. Beautiful, beautiful car. Full PPF. It's unmarked inside and out, and one hell of a driver's car. Let me show you the inside. Absolutely beautiful. Got your 6-point harness and your standard seat belts. Oh, look at that, found 10p. Alcantara leather, roll cage. Beautiful, beautiful car. There you go. 10,625 miles. I don't think there's a cleaner one, or probably a higher spec GT3 on the market today. So if you're serious about your cars, this is a serious car. Give us a call, we can sort it out on finance, PCP, we'll take a part exchange, whatever. We enjoy being put to the challenge, so you've got something a bit unusual. We'd love to see that. Give us a call. It's going back onto its 67 plate as soon as it's sold, so the plate doesn't come with it. I'll just pan out one more time so you can just see how beautiful it is. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for looking.